Hey guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with another free online course, which is free course Power BI SQL Server Integration, 100% off. Before moving on to the details of Power BI SQL Servers integration, let me tell you about our channel. We provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical, and all other type of job opportunities, as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. Watch the video till end because if you have not watched the video then you may have problems in applying for the course. Moving further to SQL integration. So this is provided by Udemy, which is an online learning platform aimed at professional adults and students. So they are providing a free certified online Power BI SQL Server integration for everyone. During the lockdown, we have discussed the detailed information and registration process in our website. So you can refer to the website if you have any kind of queries. Power BI SQL Server integration details. Requirement: knowledge of the basics of Power BI desktop. What will you learn during the course? Connecting Power BI to Microsoft SQL Server using both direct query and import modes. Description: so in this course, we will focus on connecting Power BI to Microsoft SQL Server using both direct query and import nodes. This hands-on course is aimed at beginner and intermediate users of Power BI, especially those with limited prior experience of working with SQL Server. And during the course, you will get practice on connecting to both on-premises and cloud-based version of SQL Server. So this is the course content. Who this course is for: existing users of Power BI looking to extend their knowledge. This course includes 2 hours of on-demand video, 1 article, 1 downloadable resources, full lifetime access, access on mobile and TV, and a certificate of completion. So there are 3 steps to register for Power BI SQL Server integration online course. First is you log in with your account on udemy.com. Second is you have to click on the link which we have provided, and third is you have to apply the coupon code which is provided in our website. So let's click on the link and we'll move to another website. So this is the official website of Udemy courses. You can see that we have logged in with our accounts here, and they have also provided all the information regarding the course. So if you have any queries, you can also read it from here. They have also provided the course content which tells you 21 lectures and the timings. For applying for the course, here is the option of apply coupon. So click on this and you have to enter the coupon code which is given in our website. You can see that when I apply the coupon code, so I can pursue the course for free. Now click on enroll now and you move to another web page. So you can start your course at any time. Moving on to Fresher Camp website. So we have provided all the details in our website, but you have to apply for the course as soon as possible because the free coupon can expire anytime. You can visit to our website if you have any kind of queries. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon for daily updates. If you have any problem regarding registering or anything, you can also tell us in the comment section. Link for free course Power BI SQL Servers integration is provided in the description. Thank you.